sick and ticking when I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive and when I kiss her. If you want some love, just let me know.
So I've been working on getting the driver's side quarter panel off of this, and after my last video I took the suggestion of somebody wrote in the comments how the spot weld cutters work just fine, which this one's all torn up. They said a faster way to do it is take a grinder on these spot welds, grind them down, then take your air chisel and just get them out. And I will have to say that is a heck of a lot faster. One thing I've been doing though, some of them I've been using the grinder on, other ones I just take my cutoff wheel and I'll just get it on there and just work it up and down on it like that. And that seems to work about as good, if not better, than the grinder. Okay, so I'm going to get this spot weld right here, and this is how I've been doing it. Just been taking my cutoff wheel, and Jesse, don't hit the camera, and just, Jesse. Jesse, get. So that's how I've been doing that. I'll do this one too. Hold on, I gotta get Jesse out of here. Come here, Jess. Come on. Come on. Okay, we'll get this one down as well. I hit that one just a little more. And now, our air chisel should pop right off of there. Just like that. That one I probably should have ground down a little bit further, but you get the idea. I tell you, if the heater isn't going, the air compressor's going, the dog's bothering stuff, something's always interfering. But I'm going to go ahead and remove the rest of the spot welds on this quarter panel. Got them all along down here, some up along here, and then just the ones here in the front. Get all those off of there. We'll pull this quarter panel off. Well, I finally got that quarter panel off. Got the quarter panel off the driver's side. She fought me a little bit, but I won in the end. And yeah, this looks pretty bad, especially this. This is coming off no matter what. The panels though, I don't think they're really too bad. There is a spot on this one somewhere. Can't remember where. Might be right there. No, that's just a screw coming through there. Down there's a hole. I think there is on the other side too. But there are some spots that need some serious attention. The wheel well up in there, that's easily fixed. These corners down here, not exactly sure what I'm gonna do down there, but I'll figure it out. Same within the back. The back is really, it's pretty bad back here. And just gonna have to piece it together. And I don't know if anybody knows, I did some looking around for them and I couldn't find them. If you can actually still buy these inside panels here. I think it's the panel, I think the wheel well is actually all one piece on that, but I couldn't find these anywhere. I don't know if you can still buy them or not, or if maybe it's the same as what is inside of just a pickup. If you could buy them, I would entertain the thought of just totally replacing them. Although I don't think they really need to be totally replaced. I know they don't look good, but they can be cleaned up just like I did here, and I didn't do a whole lot to that. And you also have to remember, you don't ever see this. This is all covered up, so nobody ever is going to see this. You'll see the inside, but you're never going to see this out here. But I would like to have it structurally sound. And maybe it doesn't seem like I'm making a whole lot of progress real fast, or maybe it does, I don't know. I'm heading down to the P.O. box. I just got an alert I have something down there. So I'm gonna go down there and check that out. And welcome to spring, everybody. It's snowing again. I'm really itching to get the green truck out, but when the weather's like this, I don't think a few more days or even a week or two is gonna make much difference. Just a cruddy day. My daughter was actually supposed to have soccer practice. They're starting soccer season, but I don't think they're gonna have it today. Actually, on my viewfinder, it looks lighter than it does just looking out the windshield. We're not supposed to get too much, maybe an inch or so, but up north of here, I guess they could get several inches. The wind is supposed to pick up this afternoon though and blow pretty hard. And right now it's only 34 degrees. It's supposed to have gusts into the 30s, middle 30s later this afternoon, and wind chill down in the lower 20s. And I have got to get down to get me a new tank of welding gas, just as a side note. As you know, if you watch my videos, quite often I put a little bit of the weather in there, what the temperature is and that kind of thing. And I went back and looked on some older videos from last year, well, from this time last year, and the temperature was up a little bit, but we were getting some rain. Although one of the videos I watched, I think it was on the 9th of April from last year, and if I remember right, it was 70 degrees. We're not even close. So let's get down to the P.O. box, see what they have down there for me, and then we'll get back to the shop.
If you want some loving, just let me know. If you need some hugging, just tell me so. And hot mama, just a female out of mama. You should see the fellas meet you for a little of my scoocher. If you want some loving, just let me know.
Gas prices are $2.59.
If you want some loving, just let me know.
Okay, so we just got back from the P.O. box and George is sitting on the package here. Feels like license plates. This comes from Michael Petty's from Gaines. I don't know what this says for sure. It's from New York. Michael Petty's. We'll see what we got in here. George, you're going to have to go somewhere else, bud. You may not need a knife to get into this, or I might. And it looks like 4 license plates and a note. We first have a Connecticut, 2 Connecticut plates, 2 of the same Connecticut plates, the Constitution State. We got those, and then we have 2 New York plates. Okay, now on to the letter, and Michael Petty, he's the guy that won the floor mat contest. So let's see what he has to say. This was written on 3/30, March 30th. Jesse, I'll let you in a second. And today's what, the 3rd, so this didn't take too long to get here. George, back off. And it says the Fox Shop. Here's the plates I said I would send. I never lived in Connecticut. Got a car from there once. I'm really enjoying the floor mats. Thanks, Mike Petty. So I appreciate that very much. I guess you go by Mike, not Michael. And I'm going to get these up on the wall. And there they are. I got the plates up on the wall. I think it looks like we need about 20 more to finish this wall off. There's five in each row here. And I think about 3 more. Come close to finishing it off. I don't think we can get 4 over here. So 5 in 3 rows, that'd be 15. And 4 more, that'd be 19. And then have to start putting them somewhere else. Thanks for sending those in, Mike. Appreciate it. And if you have a license plate or anything else that you'd like to send into the Fox Shop, the address down below. Also, with it still being cold out, it's snowing. I think it's supposed to get down to below 20 degrees tonight. The link for hoodies, zipper hoodies, t-shirts, that kind of thing, that's down below as well. So like I said before, if you know a place where you can buy these panels, comment down below with it. Otherwise, I'm probably just going to go ahead and fix these all up. Also, depends a little bit on what said panels might cost. Wasn't really counting on replacing those, and I don't think they really need to be replaced. Like I said before, I know they don't look good, but they will clean up fairly decent. Something you'll never see, and the metal under here is solid for the most part, so may just go ahead and clean these up anyway. And I think I'll get to needle scaling on the frame here pretty soon as well while everything is off of the side. That'll make it quite a bit easier. I'll get what I can. It's not in bad shape. Again, it looks worse than it is. It's pretty solid and just needs cleaned up, painted, she'll look like new. And I need to come in here and look at these. Not sure if I'm going to get a whole new floor pan for this side. It doesn't really need it. Just out here needs fixed, which I can do that. Hi, Jesse. I can take care of that, I think. The other side, though, I do think the other side at least needs the outer floor pan. And I realize my lighting just isn't very good. This outer floor pan is not good. It may need the whole, probably wouldn't hurt to replace the whole thing on this side. May just pull the seats out and get at it. I really want to get the green truck out and start running it around, but before I do that, I want to get the oil changed. In this kind of weather, I just want it to go away. Saw a county truck go down the highway here just a little bit ago, probably throwing salt and sand out, and I'm not driving it in that stuff. Salt is what causes this kind of stuff. So I think that's going to do it for this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.